engagement is so important. After 30 years, in some ways, I refer to that part of the business as the daycare center. And I am being somewhat funny. But how you keep people engaged, aside from having fabulous work, fabulous customers, great community and all that kind of stuff, you do have to change things up. So every quarter, how you have the meeting, there's certain things that don't change. But is it on Monday? Is it 45 minutes? Is it an hour? You just have to keep things moving a little bit while you keep everything steady. Okay, that's just so people don't get bored. And then collective intelligence. Collective intelligence is a really interesting concept. What should the community of the employees talk about and weigh in on? It's not socialism. A business is a benevolent dictatorship. There's no doubt about it. But there are ideas out there. There are things that people can do that are incredible. For example, I have a Gen Z advisory board. Yes, it was either listen or kill them. And I decided to listen. And I'm telling you, I have found out the coolest thing. And it has started this collective intelligence thing in our company. So there are things, and make a decision on what are the things that they can weigh in on and you can go with. They're a lot smarter than you are every now and then. And it's really good to be reminded of that.